So I don't know if the last piece I recorded actually recorded because the camera locked up. Not sure I like the looks of the sky right now. Some of these clouds really don't look friendly at all. You know, one of the videos that was requested when I did that bicycle thing was an actual tour of the lot where I work. And, well, I don't have the bike running yet. And I was out here shooting another video and I actually hurt myself a little bit. It's alright, I just pulled a muscle in my neck a little bit. So this is the very back area. This is all the way in the back. But I actually pay for 3 spots here. I pay for 4 spots in total. But right here where I'm parked, some people have some buses. Well, actually some cars. I don't understand this guy paying to store this thing. There is not, you know, the windshield's busted, broken glass inside. There's water several inches up in the floorboard. The interior looks trashed. The airbags deployed. There's not a single body pat. Like, this is all fiberglass, so you can only fix it with fiberglass, and you can only do so much. Then you come to this side, like, there's nothing worth holding on to here. I mean, you might be able to sell the bed extender for $100 on eBay. And this Explorer, like, maybe this guy is planning on swapping this engine into this Explorer or something. I don't know. And there's also that cheap Grand Cherokee. There's really nothing horrific I see about that. And then these buses here. This is my area, which you can probably tell by all the lawnmowers. And then this is my project truck. I was actually working on this, and I was laying underneath of it, and I went to grab a tool from up on the hood, and I pulled a little muscle in my neck. Yeah, there's my camper. There's that guy's got like some barbecue thing going on, which looks pretty awesome. I wish you'd do that while I was here. An SUV or an RV, another RV. This one here, I find amusing because they have like some Walmart Scosche speakers in there that are not rated to be outdoor. Empty spot. I don't know what the hell this is. I've never actually come over here and looked, but his wood has gone all over the place. I'm not going to open up the tarp or anything, but if I can see, not really. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is, but every now and again his wood will end up all over the place. This is a water ice truck. I used to have a van like this. Got some more RVs, a guy's thing, a boat. I think this is a boat, or it might be a truck. I think it's a truck. Yeah, it's definitely a truck. I don't know why, but I love these old Camrys. Another boat. Cornwell Tools. That's a guy who tried selling me some stuff. I ain't paying $600 for a set of wrenches. These old Camrys are awesome. But I figured since I hurt myself, I might as well try to get you a video. But there really isn't a whole... I mean, like, this is mostly just campers and every now and again some work stuff. That bigger building back there is a gym of some sorts. Hold on a sec. I'm not sure I want to know what's in that bottle. There's a truck coming by. I didn't want to get like accused of anything. Another work truck. A Saab. Yeah, that's a work truck coming by. don't know. I think people just, you know, check on their stuff. These trailers are heavy as hell. But I just felt like getting a little bit of exercise too. So from here, again, it's the same old story the whole way down. You have mostly campers and some work trailers. You have my mess over there, which you can see. And then from here, you know, again, another trailer. Looks like it's got some damage. Ooh. Skid steer boat trailer. There's more storage units. These ones are indoor with air conditioning and heat, so they're. And then that's the gate where we come in. They actually just repaved all this too. One day I was in here, actually I think I mentioned it in the video, a guy was sighting his rifle down there, and I'm like, are you sure it's a rifle and not a pea shooter? But yeah, so I checked the battery. Wow, this thing's gone almost 10%. During this video I was at 82, now I'm at 74. But yeah, you can actually tell I was working because I'm kind of dirty. The sun's behind me right now too. Whew, exercise, man. Haven't really had a whole lot of it lately. I've been working and doing lawnmowers. I've probably sold 60 lawnmowers so far this year. I've only done a video on a handful of them. Any of these ones you see without lock, that means they're empty. Any ones you see with a red lock or orange lock, that means the person didn't pay. If you've never been to this kind of thing before. Hey, you can see me. But so we're coming up here. And there's the restroom. And up here, so in all actuality, I'm paying for 5 spots here. You got it feels good in here. According to that, 70 degrees. Doesn't feel too bad. And here they leave these open. But and that's where I am. This is my spot. I'm not going to open that up because you guys have seen that before. It's kind of a disgrace. But it's a lot of red locks. But yeah, so this is where I work. When I'm not working for the man, when I'm working for myself. I'm going to put the camera down, walk back to the truck, and go home. Take some Aleve liquid gels, get a shower, hope my neck pain goes away. But for right now, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.